Hello, students. Your topic for today is Constitution. So, the Indian Constitution is a very unique one with both spirit and content. Notwithstanding the fact that several features of the Constitution have been borrowed from the other constitutions of other countries from all around the world. So, it is really a unique piece of work. The original constitution have been considerably changed by the various amendments that have been brought forth like 7th, 42nd, 44th, 73, 74th. So the Indian constitution is not a rigid constitution. It can be amended by the parliament following a few rules. There have been made many changes in the constitution of India. Some of the important amendments are 42nd Amendment and 44th Amendment. So the 42nd Amendment is also known as the mini constitution because it made several sweeping changes to the constitution. This was during the emergency in 1976. In 1973, the Supreme Court had ruled in the Keshwanda Bharati case that the constituent power of the Parliament under Article 368 does not empower it to alter the basic structure of the Constitution. So, the Constitution of India has a preamble. The first constitution to start with is a preamble for the American Constitution. So, the Indian Constitution also starts with one. The preamble is basically the introduction or preface to the Constitution. It sums up the essence of the Constitution. N.A. Pakhiwala, a constitutional expert, referred to the preamble as the identity card of the Constitution. The preamble is based on Pandit Nehru's objective resolution that he moved and was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. The preamble has been amended in 1976 by the 42nd Amendment, which added the words socialist, secular, and integrity to it. So, the ingredients of the preamble are the preamble have four components. First, source of authority of constitution. It mentions that the constitutional derives its power from the people of India. Second, nature of the Indian state. It says India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republican state. Third, objectives of the Constitution. It gives the objective as justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Fourth, Constitution date of adoption 26 November 1949. So the chief features of Indian Constitution are first federal system with unitary bias. So the Constitution establishes a federal government system in India. All the expected features of a federal state such as two government levels, division of power, supremacy and rigidity of the constitution, written constitution and bicameralism are present. But the constitution also contains many features of a unitary form of government, such as single citizenship, strong center, single constitution, flexibility of the constitution, all India services, integrated judiciary, appointment of state governor by the center, emergency provisions, and so on. In addition, the term federation is not mentioned in the constitution. Article 1 says India is a union of states, implying the Indian Federation is not the result of an agreement by the states. States do not have the right to secede from the federation. Next is parliamentary form of government. So the parliamentary form borrowed from the British system is based on the principle of cooperation and coordination between the legislative and the executive. This form of government is alternatively known as the Westminster model of government. It is also called responsible government and cabinet government. According to the constitution, not only the center, the parliamentary form is followed even in the states. In India, the features of parliamentary form of government are as follows. First, nominal and real executive. Second, rule of a majority party. Third, collective responsibility of the executive to the legislator. Fourth, membership of the ministers in the legislature. Fifth, leadership of the prime minister or the chief minister. Sixth, dissolution of the lower house. So there are some basic differences between the Indian and the British models. Even though both follow the parliamentary form of government, the Indian parliament is not a sovereign body. The British parliament is. Also, the Indian state has an elected head since it is a republic, while the British head is hereditary since British is a constitutional monarchy. That's all. Thank you.